Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to add your cousin to your family members on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access your profile. Next, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page where you can manage your personal information. Once you're on your profile page, look for the About section. Click on it to view more details about your profile, including your family and relationships. Now, in the About section, find the Family and Relationships tab. Here, you'll see an option labeled Add Family Member. Click on this option to proceed. In the pop-up window, you will need to enter the name of your cousin. As you type, Facebook will suggest names that match what you've entered. Select the correct profile from the list that appears. Next, it's time to define the relationship. In the drop-down menu labeled Relationship, choose Cousin. This step is essential as it specifies how this person is related to you. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm your changes. Your cousin is now officially added to your family members on Facebook. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily enhance your Facebook profile and showcase your family connections. This not only helps in keeping track of your loved ones, but also allows friends and followers to see who is important in your life. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Facebook profile effectively. Enjoy connecting with family and friends.